from the provider Medicina is a blood pressure monitor. We're going to demonstrate the use of the monitor and show you how to set up. The BU550 show you how nicely it comes packaged and what you get inside. 4 AAA batteries, USB-C cable, in the carrying case the blood pressure monitor, and the nice large strap that goes around the arm, the blood pressure, and the instruction guide to go over. The unit is in white. Please remember to peel the film off the protective cover with the nice large stop and start button and the memory and a note of the unit. On the back of the unit, we have 4 rubber feet that holds to the table and a door that opens up to place in your 4 AAA batteries. The unit is ran off the AAA batteries and or USB-C cable plugged in. Turning on the units, hitting the start and stop button. We have a clock, the 00 blood pressure with the schedule, an OK, HD, and a light. The blood pressure monitor is easy to take with you and portable via USB-C or battery operated, and the armband up to 42 cm plugs into the side of the unit. Simply wrap around your arm and start the machine. We have a 1-person, 2-person memory and a recall of the records. As we set up the band, it is Velcroed with the words OK and arrows showing you how to set up. With up to 2 feet of the cable, we're able to set up the armband by placing on and wrapping around with the words artery and OK all around and locking on. Simply hit the start button to operate the unit. As we hit the start, the unit turns on with person number 1 and blinking. In 5 seconds time, the unit starts to operate. It has a clock and a date, an OK, and an mmKg with the levels of indication going up at 194 pressure going down. It has a heart rate beeping and taking the measurements for your readings. As the machine deflates, the reading is measured. It's still in the on position. As it completes, you are now able to remove the band. Simply remove. It has a little rubber area that's able to grip a tube and slide off. We have the clock in AM, the date, the SYS at 132, the DIA at 98, and the POL at 91. Going over the group, simply hit the group button, press it once, and again to change 1 to 2, and to the group, and back to 1. Short press to shut off. To change the date and time, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are on the date and time. Simply press and change. And when all set, the next time you start the machine, it'll give you the date and time. On the go, simply just place on the arm, press the start button, and off you go. A portable machine for vacations, cruises, and more, where you need to monitor your blood pressure. And when you want to stop, just hit the stop. The machine shuts down. With the nice carrying bag, the machine fits in, and placing in the band as well. I hope you enjoy your blood pressure monitor system on the go, anywhere that you need to check your blood pressure. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.